I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your address on Betterment, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Betterment account using your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the menu. Click on it to access your personal information. Step 3. Select address information. In the account settings, find the section labeled address information. This is where you can view and edit your current address. Step 4. Update your address. Click the edit button next to your address. Enter your new address details and ensure everything is correct before saving. Note: double check the ZIP code, it can easily be mistyped. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving, you should receive a confirmation message that your address has been updated. Make sure to log out and log back in to verify the changes. Updating your address on Betterment is quick and easy. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Happy investing!